Removing nail tips applied with sticky tabs is much gentler on your natural nails than glue, but there's one thing you need to do first, and most people skip it. You might be tempted to just peel these off. Don't. Fill a bowl with warm water and add a few drops of dishwashing liquid. You can also add a few drops of oil to help loosen the adhesive further. Soak your nails for 10 to 15 minutes. Sticky tabs are designed to release gently, so the removal process is really kind to your natural nails. This is very different from nail glue removal. Once soaked, gently lift the nail tips from the sides using an orange wood cuticle stick, working slowly around the edge. If a tip isn't lifting easily, don't force it. Continue soaking and try again. Patience here protects your natural nail underneath. To remove any remaining sticky tab residue, roll the orange wood cuticle stick gently over the area in small motions. The residue should lift away cleanly. No scraping, no harsh tools needed. Give your nails a final wipe with a lint-free wipe moistened with gel nail polish remover. This removes any last traces of adhesive and leaves the nail surface clean and ready for your next set. Apply cuticle oil to your nails and surrounding skin to nourish. That's your nail tips removed gently and without any damage to your natural nails. Subscribe to keep up with our latest tutorials. See you next time!